Aloe vera for facial hair growth. How to apply.
Hey there! Welcome to our video on using aloe vera to promote facial hair growth. If you're looking to enhance your beard or mustache, aloe vera can be a natural and effective option. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of applying aloe vera to stimulate facial hair growth. So, let's dive in.
What makes aloe vera beneficial for facial hair growth?
Aloe vera is a plant renowned for its numerous health and beauty benefits. It contains essential vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and amino acids that nourish the hair follicles and promote healthy hair growth. Its moisturizing and soothing properties can help improve the condition of your facial skin, making it a suitable option for those aiming to enhance their facial hair.
Preparing the aloe vera gel.
The first step is to extract the gel from an aloe vera leaf. Here's how you can do it. 1. Choose a mature aloe vera leaf. Look for a leaf that is plump and thick, as these tend to contain more gel. 2. Cut the leaf. Using a sharp knife, cut the leaf as close to the base as possible. 3. Drain the yellow resin. Allow the yellow resin to drain out of the leaf for a few minutes. This resin can cause skin irritation, so it's best to remove it. 4. Peel the leaf. Carefully peel the outer green skin of the leaf, revealing the transparent gel inside. 5. Scoop out the gel. Use a spoon or your fingers to scoop out the gel and transfer it to a clean container. Make sure to collect a sufficient amount of gel for application.
Applying aloe vera to promote facial hair growth.
Now that you have your aloe vera gel ready, it's time to apply it to your face. Follow these steps. 1. Cleanse your face. Start by washing your face with a gentle cleanser to remove any dirt or excess oil. 2. Apply the aloe vera gel. Take a small amount of aloe vera gel and apply it directly to the areas where you want to stimulate facial hair growth. Massage the gel gently into the skin using circular motions. 3. Leave it on. Allow the gel to remain on your face for at least 30 minutes or overnight, depending on your preference. 4. Rinse off. After the recommended time has passed, rinse your face with lukewarm water to remove the aloe vera gel. Pat your skin dry with a clean towel.
Frequency and additional tips.
To maximize the potential benefits of aloe vera for facial hair growth, consider the following tips. Frequency. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times per week for several weeks to observe noticeable results. Consistency. Consistency is key when using natural remedies. Stick to a routine and be patient, as hair growth takes time. Moisturize. Alongside aloe vera, make sure to moisturize your facial skin regularly to keep it hydrated and healthy. Healthy lifestyle. Maintain a balanced diet, exercise regularly, and get enough sleep to support overall hair health. And there you have it. Using aloe vera to promote facial hair growth can be a simple and natural approach. Remember to extract the gel properly, apply it to clean skin, and be consistent with your routine. Enjoy the process and embrace your newfound facial hair growth. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful. Good luck on your journey to a fuller beard or mustache.